Well, the Screen International is a British film magazine focusing on the international film business. It provides news, reviews, features, analysis, box office insights, festival reports and commentary for the global film industry. Munmun Bhattacharya speaks with two senior executives of the magazine in Toronto on Screen's coverage of India. Take a listen.
Screen International is a British film magazine that covers films and all about films around the world. Joining us are two very senior executives from Screen International. You are carrying one of the editions of the Screen International here. Tell us about what kind of coverage is India seeing in the magazine?
We are a partner of India and the NFDC year-round. We have a partnership on the Film Bazaar. And we help promote Indian industry, films and festivals year round. So Toronto's no different. We've got a full issue packed with news, reviews, features from Toronto. All the films in the schedule here, lots of good reviews. Of course, we'll promote Indian films along with films from around the world.
Over the years, would you say, has India's coverage as far as the film world is concerned increased in the magazine?
Definitely. I mean, we're doing more and more each year. We've just been speaking now with your colleagues from the Film Bazaar. Our partnerships grow with you every year. We've got a new partnership, another increased partnership with Film Bazaar this year coming up. We're going to be helping promote Waves Bazaar over the coming year. We've worked with Jojo Mummy Festival in Mumbai.
So tell us about the kind of coverage that India is getting.
The Screen covers, globally, all of the films that enter into the awards season. And I'm based in the LA office, so my role is really just to make sure that we are commercially supporting those films. We have an editorial team that editorially supports them too. And obviously India is one of the biggest players in the game. So every year we look dramatically at what's coming in and as the season unrolls, we see what films become favourites, and India's definitely always got great films in the mix.
What is the kind of interest that you see among your readers for India?
Everyone's covered fairly, but India is obviously a very important player in the game, and we cover them at the festivals. We cover the films at the festivals. Then we start to build our list of what films are going to be in the race, and then when India submits its film, it will be covered during the awards season.
IFFI is a premier international film festival, not just in India but in South Asia. How have you been covering it, and what are your future plans?
So I think looking at our coverage from IFFI last year, the talk was around genre and around the co-production market and how genre from that market was travelling well internationally. So India and co-productions with other countries.
Considering all the factors, the coverage of India as well as of Indian films and Indian film festivals are all increasing in magazines like the Screen International. Thank you for joining us here on DD India with cameraman YK Loknath. This is Munmun Bhattacharya from Toronto for DD India.